ladies and gentlemen, we have a very special guest amongst us. We were expecting to host the Consulate General of India, but as you know, because of some last-minute commitment, he could not be here. But his wife is here to represent him, Mrs. Mona Lisa Shuvadarshan. Can I please request Mrs. Mona Lisa Shuvadarshan to come on the stage, and can I also please request Mrs. Rashmi Bedi to accompany her on the stage. Here comes Mrs. Mona Lisa, our special guest of honor tonight. And Rashmi ji, we also need you on the stage right now. Everyone, please give her a big round of applause. Hi, ma'am, how are you? Let me get a mic for you. So, ma'am, our audience would like to hear a few words from you.
Good evening, everybody. It's the first time experience for me to come to a fashion show like this in New York. But I would like to congratulate our friend here who has put up a great show. And I'm thoroughly enjoying the show here. And all the best for the rest of the evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone, for your patience. And I know it's a long day, and you all have been cooperating so well. And look at our special guest is here. Consul General of New York wife is here. Of course, Mona Lisa. I met her. She's a very good friend of mine. It was so nice to meet her. And I was so impressed looking at her, how she was promoting and supporting our culture. And the way she is excited to see our models walking on the ramp with different professions. So thank you so much for coming and honoring the show. It really means a lot. And of course, you are the star of the show today. But what do you think? Like, times have changed, and now like we have created a platform for all age, all sizes. And I feel, भगवान जैसे मैं आपको कहती हूँ कि looks और parents हमें भगवान देते हैं. So accept the way people are, and with an open heart, and be there for them, and live and let live everyone. That's what it is, and spread happiness. So what do you think, Mona Lisa, about this?
I think it's a great initiative to include all age group there, because since few decades ago it was like there was a real stereotype about the physique and the way models should look like. But I'm so glad to see the models of all age group and all kinds of body type. And there's nothing, we are not celebrating about anybody. We are celebrating each and everybody here. So which is a great, great, great initiative. And congratulations like once again to inspire everybody to come up and live their dreams here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mona Lisa. And of course, when we started our journey, I used to see only 2 or 3 Indian girls walking New York Fashion Week, and now we have more than 400-500 girls coming all over the country. And of course, from different countries also, they're coming here to walk. It's going to be it's always so much fun to see our girls coming with so much of happiness, excitement, and how they are supporting My Dream platform. Thanks to all our queens. Without all of you all, we are incomplete. Thank you so much. Thank you, Aditi. You're doing a great job. I love your outfit.
All thanks to you. And thank you, ma'am, for taking time out from your busy schedule and coming and joining us. We need more people like you. We need all the support. So thank you from the bottom of our heart.
Thank you. So, Janak, are you here? We can do the crowning for our top model. And Mona Lisa is here, so why not use her to grace the special honor and honor winner. Can we have Janak in our winner for Miss category?
As they say, all good things must wait. So we are getting ready for the next segment. And here comes Janak ji with his database of the master schedule of everything. Here he is. All right, so the winner for Miss Next Top Model is Pallavi Singhal. Pallavi, can we please have you on stage? Congratulations and thank you, Mona Lisa ji, for doing the honors. Okay, so we have the winner for Mrs. Next Top Model, and that is Dr. Parinda Parekh. Can we please have Dr. Parinda Parekh on the stage?
तो कितना जाएगा राउंड पीछे से तेज लगा देना You have your single alone picture, solo picture. They took this one. Candy movie. नाम मत बोलना सर कैंडी मूवी का अवार्ड है
Okay, we also have a very special award to give away. It is the Community Impact Award, and this award goes to Candy Movie. And the handsome Mr. Raj Gupta is going to receive the award. All right, next we have another very special award, and this award is for the Best Fashion Magazine of the Year 2025. The award goes to My Dream Unstoppable Magazine, and can I please request the brain behind the magazine, Surya Bedi, to come and receive the award. Here comes the young and dynamic face of My Dream TV, Surya Bedi. what a beautiful moment on the stage of New York Fashion Week, the unveiling of the Unstoppable magazine by My Dream. Here comes Surya. Give it up for Surya Bedi, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Congratulations, Rajji, and congratulations, Surya. And thank you, Mona Lisa ma'am, for doing the honors.
So both my friends have put me on spot thrice today. This is the third time. I believe this is the last time I'm talking today. So yes, of course, my friends have told me this is all about women empowerment, and I could see that in happening here, in action here. When we started this function with all things, and last time also I spoke about it, starting with different ladies of all the age group, all the professions. They are coming here, they're just living their dreams. It starts with that point. And I'm sure you are going to do more in coming years, in your future, and I wish you all the very best on that. And if I can be any of the help, I'll be happy to help you all. Thank you so much once again. Congratulations once again.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I already told you you're a star of the show today, of course. Of course, we are missing our Consulate General of New York, but you are here, it's one and the same thing. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Rajji. Thank you, Aditi. You're doing a great job. Congratulations, winners. Keep doing good work. Thank you. A big round of applause for all our winners today. Thank you.